How to do-it-yourself home design. There is a substantial population of people who do not want to hire an interior designer to oversee their home decorating projects. Often this is because they wish to be involved in each and every detail of redecorating their homes. For many this gives sense of satisfaction and achievement. Redecorating your home by yourself is much different from engaging an outsider to decorate your home. You know yourself better than anyone else. Therefore you are better suited to design a room according to your requirements and needs better than a professional decorator. This is true even if you are not a creative person. You already know your favorite colors. You already know what helps you relax and what helps you feel energized. Most of all, you know what the rooms in your home are used for and how often you use them. What you may not know is where to begin. If you find yourself at a loss for ideas, begin by asking yourself a few simple questions. Ask who and what each room is used for. This answer will tell you a lot about the kind of design you want. Make sure that the room shows the personality of those who use it and is functional. Next, ask yourself what pieces of the room must stay and what can go. It would not be prudent to plan a decor for your dining area and then find you have no room for a table. But if you do not eat in your kitchen, having a table there may not be necessary. The third question you should ask is how much you can afford to spend. If your budget is limited, you will need to find a way to decorate that is inexpensive. This is very possible and can still give excellent results. Simply focus more on accessories and less on furnishings and you will soon have a fabulous new look.